How many of the 60 cars sold last month by a certain dealer had neither power windows nor the stereo? So now we can read the question quickly and understand it's a two-set question. And because the question is talking about the cars with power windows, so there must be car without power windows. So for these questions, I quickly draw a grid with power window, without power window. These are two different columns. And for the rows, we have a stereo and there are cars which do not have stereo. Now, the question is giving us the information that in total we have 60 cars, and the question is how many had neither power windows nor the stereo. That means we have to find out the number for this particular place. Let's look at the first statement. The first statement says that of the 60 cars sold, 20 had a stereo but not the power windows. So the cars that have a stereo but not the power windows come here. That means we have a number 20 here. But with this 20, because we do not have this sum of this row or the sum of this column, so we cannot proceed to find out what is needed. And therefore we say that the first statement alone will not be sufficient to answer the question, which eliminates option A and D for us. Now, moving on to the second statement, what we see is of the 60 cars sold, 30 had both the power windows and a stereo. So the second statement is quickly giving us the information that this particular region, which represents the cars with power windows and the stereo both, is 30. But understand that we do not have this number right now because we are dealing with the second statement in isolation. So when we have this number 30, once again we do not have any other number for any other cell except the 60 and 30. Therefore we say that the second statement alone also will not be sufficient. And now when we combine the two statements, then we have everything, because then we have this 30 from the second statement, 20 from the first statement. That means the combination of the two statements gives us that this particular number should be 50. That means this particular number should be 10. But we still do not know that how many have the power windows and how many do not have the power windows, and this particular place can be calculated only if this 20 is subtracted from this number, which we do not have. Therefore, even after combining the two statements, we say that the statements are not sufficient to answer the question, and the answer to the question becomes option E. I hope you enjoyed the explanation. Thank you so much.